Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to text in Clipchamp. If you have ever wanted to make your text pop or stand out in your videos, this is the perfect way to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now to add background to the text, simply tap onto the text button right here. Then again tap onto the text button. Now type whatever you want to add to your video and then tap onto write. Now finally, to add the background to your text, again tap onto text and choose one element like this, which is underscore, and then make it big like this. Now overlay the text over the first text that you just added, like this. Now here you can see there is the background added to your text. And from here you can also change the color of the background. And that's it. You have successfully added a background to your text in Clipchamp. It's a simple trick that can make your text stand out in any video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.